Barlow Creations. Today we are in my guest bathroom where I will be updating and somewhat doing a makeover just to spice this bathroom up a bit. We've lived in this house for about 12 years now, and this bathroom has never really gotten the TLC that all the other rooms in the house have gotten. Although I'm happy with it, it just kind of has a hodgepodge of stuff in it. And what I mean by that is there is a mix of chrome items and oil rubbed bronze items. And it was all the leftover stuff that we had when we moved in here, and I found a place for them here in this bathroom. And so 12 years later, I am ready to update it, make it over, and spice it up and make it the guest bathroom that I've always wanted it to be. Then I'll top it off with a real good decluttering, deep cleaning, and a reorganizing of the cabinets. So let's jump into this and let me show you what I have in mind for this guest bathroom. So you can see here that I am a definite lover of the oil rubbed bronze look. The one thing that I did do to this bathroom was frame this mirror, the mirror that came with the house. And this is a kit that we picked up from Lowe's, and we framed in all of our bathroom mirrors because it was so much more inexpensive than replacing the mirror. The towel holders came with the house, and they're kind of a mix between a black and an oil rubbed bronze. I've got the chrome shower curtain rod with the chrome hangers, along with this oil rubbed bronze, the secondary shower curtain rod. I've got the chrome faucet in the sink, and we've got the chrome handle on the toilet as well. A chrome trash can with oil rubbed bronze handles on our cabinets. I've got some brushed nickel pictures in this bathroom.
Starting this makeover off, I will be replacing the faucet in this sink. So I am cleaning out from under my sink and going to reorganize this. Jeff is helping me because he is going to be the one who is replacing the sink. He turned off the hot and cold water, and now he's just going to remove the water lines that are attached to the knobs of the faucet. And now it's ready to put the new oil rubbed bronze faucet on this sink. To clean my sink, I'll be using this gel cleaner by Clorox. I really like this spray gel cleaner because it really does help to keep my grout lines stain free. I found this foaming hand soap dispenser at Walmart, and of course you can tell I fell in love with it because it is brown and it has an oil rubbed bronze dispenser on it that will go perfect with my faucet. I'll be putting my Bath & Body Works foaming hand soap in it, and the scent that I am using today is this Sonoma Sunflower Blossom. This is one of my favorite spring to summer scents to use. I've decided to replace these white bulb glass covers that I have with some really nice brown marbled ones that I picked up from Lowe's for $3.97 a piece. I picked up 3 of them. I really love the dark marbled and beige look. I think it's going to warm up the bathroom a bit, and it's going to give it more of a rustic feel than these stark white ones that I have now. The light bulbs that I'm using are these Optic Light LED lamp lights. I picked them up from the 99-cent store. I picked up a whole case of them because I really don't like the coiled energy efficient lights. I just hate the look of them. These are energy efficient and they only cost $1.20 a year in electricity. And after 12 years, I am finally replacing this chrome shower curtain rod and these hooks with this oil rubbed bronze rod. It is a tension rod and these hooks that I picked up off of Amazon. Everything that I buy off of Amazon you can find in the description box below. There is a link to my Amazon store with all of the items that I've picked up. I also picked up this shower curtain. I wanted a more creamy vanilla shower curtain. I had a lace one before, and I really loved these flowers that are attached to it. And of course, I picked up a new shower curtain liner at Walmart, and I'm using just an extra light one from Mainstays. Now onto the handle, where I will be replacing the chrome toilet handle with this universal strong arm oil rubbed bronze handle. I picked this up from Lowe's. Replacing this handle is so easy to do. It took me less than 5 minutes to replace it with just one screw and one latch. I also picked up this bronze toilet brush holder with a lid to replace the stainless steel one that I have in here now. I got this off of Amazon as well. I'm going to be putting the stainless steel one in the kids' bathroom because they've had a plastic toilet brush holder in there from the Dollar Tree forever. And so I'll just be putting it in another bathroom and still using it. Amazon had a lot of coordinating oil rubbed bronze pieces. It wasn't sold in a set, they were sold individually. And so I picked up this trash can on Amazon as well. It turned out to be less expensive on Amazon than it was in the store. I'll also be replacing these pictures with pictures that I picked up from the 99-cent store. I paid $2.99 for this 2-pack. You can also find this 2-piece bath rug set on Amazon as well. It had been quite a few years since I had replaced my bath rugs. And so when I saw these, they were part of that coordinating set. And so I picked these up on there as well. My cabinets, as you can see, have not been cleaned in a while. I didn't realize that they were as bad as they are. The wood is dry and just really needing a good cleaning. And so I will be using, again, my Murphy's Oil soap that I absolutely live by. It is a soap that my mom used for as long as I can remember. And this really does clean the wood and replenish it nicely. And yep, you can see by the water just how stinking dirty my cabinets were. Moving on to inside the cabinet under my sink, I'll be using this Great Value all-purpose cleaner with bleach just to clean the inside of the cabinet before I reorganize it and put everything back. I'll be using this white bin that you can find at Walmart. It was under this cabinet already. And I'll also be using these brown bins that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I think I hauled them about 2 months ago when I started this reorganizing mission that I'm on. And I think just by putting things in bins, it makes it so much easier if you want to just take everything out and wipe it down. It'll take you 5 minutes just by pulling out your bins. I also like to use these smaller square bins, and if you've seen my organizing videos before, you'll see that I really like to use these. in all of my drawers. It really kind of helps to keep all of those pesky items like rubber bands in this case, clips, and headbands, keep them separated and organized. And although from time to time they do get a little disorganized, it takes maybe 5 minutes to clean them out. I am finished cleaning and reorganizing and giving this bathroom just a bit of an update. Let's take a look. The wax melts that I like to use in my Scentsy warmer for this bathroom is this Spiced Apple Pie by Better Homes and Gardens. It is a mixture of 2 wax melts. It smells amazing. I am loving the carpets, and honestly, I love this shower curtain more than I thought I was going to. It is so much prettier in person than it was online in the Amazon store. And these pictures from the 99-cent store were the perfect touch. These towels here are handmade. They are a DIY towel that I've made. I haven't done a video on them yet, and so that is definitely something that I need to do soon. I am loving the warmth that these new glass bulb covers are putting off. That was just the touch that I was looking for. And oh my word, my new oil rubbed bronze faucet. This makes me happy. The faucet I also found on Amazon as well for $40. And having some nice new clean cabinets, they look as good as new using the Murphy's Oil soap. And there's nothing like having your cabinets nice, neat, and reorganized.
It's been a long day in this bathroom today, and I am so glad it's over, but let me just tell you, I am so stinking happy with the outcome. The minor touches that I made on this bathroom made it feel new again, and that was all I was looking for. It looks updated, it looks new, it looks clean, it is organized, and boy oh boy does that make me feel accomplished. I hope that I've inspired you to join me on this journey of decluttering and reorganizing your house if it needs it, along with me while I declutter and reorganize my house. Stay tuned for my upcoming video where I declutter and reorganize my laundry room. That is next. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. If I've inspired you to declutter and reorganize right along with me, I would love to see your before and after, so snap a quick picture and send it to me on Facebook or Instagram. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy cleaning and reorganizing, and bye for now.